Miami, Florida. Today I'm visiting Stay Cozy's Sunrise on Biscayne Bay rental unit. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, laundry, and stunning balcony views. This balcony is massive and you can see everything from the port to the stunning Miami skyline. So I wanted to give you a tour, so come on in and check it out with me. On this tour of Stay Cozy's Sunrise on Biscayne Bay. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you stick around for more travel, hotel tours, and adventure videos to come.